What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to switch accounts and log out of Facebook Messenger on your mobile device. To switch between accounts without logging out, start by opening the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once inside, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap on the three bars icon to access the menu. In this menu, you will see a small arrow icon next to your profile picture. Tap on this arrow icon to open the Switch Profile window. In the Switch Profile window, you will see a list of all Messenger accounts that you are currently signed into on your device. Just tap on any account you want to switch to, and Messenger will instantly switch over to that account. If you don't see the account you're looking for, tap on Log into another account at the bottom. This will let you add a new account by entering the email or phone number and password associated with it. Once you've entered the details, tap Login to access that account. From now on, this account will also appear in your list of available profiles, making it easy to switch back and forth whenever you need. Now, let's move on to logging out of Facebook Messenger completely. To log out of Messenger, open the app and tap on the three bars icon again in the top left corner. Then, tap the gear icon in the top right to access Messenger settings. Scroll down until you find the Meta Account Center. Tap on this to enter the central management area of your connected Facebook and Instagram accounts. Within the Account Center, locate and tap on Password and Security. Scroll down until you find a section labeled Where you logged in. Tap on this option and you will see a detailed list of every device where your Facebook and Instagram accounts are currently active. Since Messenger is tied to your Facebook account, you want to focus on the Facebook entries in this list. To log out of Messenger on all devices, tap on Select All in the top right corner, and then tap Log Out. This will immediately log you out of Messenger on every device you're currently signed in. If you want to access Messenger on any of these devices again, you will need to log in with your password. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.